Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to make a server in Minecraft. It's pretty easy, so just follow the steps I'm going to show you. So, to set up a Minecraft server, you have to go to this website, download the Minecraft server .1.xx.xx.xjar file, and the access will be the current version number. And after you have downloaded it, make a folder on your desktop to keep all your server files in. You can name it Minecraft server, and then drag over a copy and paste the jar.jr file into the Minecraft server folder. While you have the file browser open the command prompt from start menu. You can check if the Java is installed in command prompt by tapping the codes like Java hyphen version. To start the server, you need to change the directory to the location where you have the Minecraft server folder and the .jar file located in it. You can find the directory in the Windows by simply clicking on the browser directory in the file browser here. So as you can see, it is here. So once you get it, it was just able to take on our server on Minecraft. So yeah, this is how to do it. Hope this video helped you out, and we will see you in the next one.